the confluences, the things that I take into consideration before I can swing on a trade. And trust me, my swings always hit take profit. Hey guys, I'm Emilian Bejanem, aka FX Buddy, the self-life trader, and I am here to make Forex make sense. So people in my community, people that I share my daily setups with, they get to copy my Forex signals and all. They have pleaded with me to do a video on how I am able to hold, how I am able to swing on a trade and finally hit take profit. So I am best known for swing trading, but I can day trade. I do day trade, but then I am more of a swing trader. Now they ask for the confluences, the things that I take into consideration before I can swing on a trade. And trust me, my swings always hit take profit. Now you want to get you a notebook so you take down a few points that I'll be giving, because I'm giving important gems, and we are going to analyze here and we'll see if this is a good setup for you to swing trade here. So the first thing you want to take into consideration is technicals. That is technical analysis. Technical analysis, it's somehow broad, because under technical analysis we get to see support and resistance. That is, after we've marked our key levels, we get to see our trend line, right? So I mostly trade trend line breakout. So a good way to swing is to trade trend line breakout, right? So the first is technicals. Now under technicals analysis, we have support and resistance. And simply put, support and resistance simply means, let's say this is Euro USD. Let's go to my favorite pair, USD card. Yeah, okay, so this is USD card. For you to be able to mark the support and resistance zones, you need to mark the key levels. Now key levels are levels that the market has respected 2 or more times, right? Key levels are levels that the market has respected before, and as a price action trader, you are hoping, you are predicting, you are anticipating that, okay, in the nearest future, today, price is going to respect that same level. So let's say on this chart we want to mark key levels. So we want to look at levels that price has respected 2 or more times. I see a level here, so I'll mark this. You need to mark the most visible ones to you. Let's look for levels that price has respected 2 or more times, 1 or 2 times. Yeah, that works. So you mark a level here. I'll just mark 2 for now, so I use them to explain. Okay, having marked this, mind you, you mark the key levels following the top down analysis. Top down analysis, that is marking the key levels from higher time frame to lower time frame. So you can start from 1 month, you go to 1 week, 1 day, 4 hours, 1 hour. So that's how you mark key levels following the top down analysis. But I've just marked on the 1 hour because I want to demonstrate what support and resistance is. Okay, now with support and resistance, this top that you see here, this highest level is called the resistance level. So this is the resistance level. I think I should change the color of this. Let me put pink. Yeah, so the pink is the resistance level. Now what is the resistance level? The resistance level is the highest level that price has gone up to, reached, and could not easily break it. So now at the resistance level, price starts dropping. So at the resistance level, we sell. Right now, the blue level is called the support level. The support level is the lowest level that price has gone down, reached, and could not easily break it to continue going down. So at the support level, the price started rising back up. So at the support level, we buy. Right, so it does not mean price cannot break a resistance level. It doesn't mean price cannot break a support level. It can, but it takes a lot, and it will not easily break it. Right, so that's one of my confluence technical. So I get to mark my support and resistance level. Next is we talk about trend lines. Right, trend lines are, let me do this. So if we say we want to draw a trend line here, trend lines are basically the direction of the market. Simply put, the direction, the overall direction, the overall trend of the market. Like, where is the market heading to? Is the market bullish? meaning is the market buying? Is the market on an uptrend, right? So if the market is on an uptrend, we should look for buy opportunities. If the market is on a downtrend, we should look for sell opportunities. Downtrend also means bearish, right? Also means selling. The market is selling down. Now, looking at at this, you can see that USD card is on a downtrend. That is, the market has been going down for quite some time, right? And now let's say you want to draw a trend line here. You take your trend line, you put at the highest level up here, then you pull it down. Now you need to draw your trend line and like let it touch the candlesticks. Yes, that's how you draw a valid trend line. So let's say we draw it like this, it ends here, right? So this is a downtrend, but now we are on the 1 hour, and this trend line has been broken on this 1 hour. And now remember, I mentioned that I trade trend line breakout. That's another confluence that I get to be able to swing trade. Now for me, right, as this trend line has been broken, the 1 hour is my favorite time frame. I rarely go above and I rarely go below the 1 hour. Okay, now from what I can see, this trend line has been broken, and when a trend line breaks with a 1 hour confirmation, you need to wait for a retest. Retest means, okay, the market was going down, the market candles have formed and broken this particular trend line, violated it, meaning that the trend line is no longer valid. It means the market is looking for ways to change direction, right? So now you see the market trying to go up, down. So when the trend line breaks, the market needs to retest. Retest means, okay, the market has broken, but it will come down, like, right? So the market buys up, breaks it, comes back down, tests it again. Okay, do I really want to break? Do I really want to change the direction? That's what the retest is talking about. So when the market retests, now it finally chooses a direction, and mere looking at this, I my bias is that this coming week USD card is going to buy. Why? Because look at all of this. This is a space, this is a gap. The market has been going down for quite some time, and remember, the forex market, we buy and sell. So this is liquidity. So the market will have to come back and fill this gap, and fill this particular gap. So mere looking at this, my bias is USD card is going to buy. And if you see the momentum of the candles being formed here, you see the momentum of the candles being formed, you see that, how do they call that, marabuzo? Yeah, very big, very fat candles are being formed here. Fat bullish candles are being formed. So next, another thing I want to see, to be able to swing trade, to be able to have that confirmation that, okay, this particular analysis is set and I should hit it now. I need to see how the candles are being formed, right? And I need to see how the candles are being formed. So candlestick confirmation is another confluence. How are the candles being formed? Are they doji candles? Are they marabuzo? The name is always funny. Yeah, so are they like high momentum candles? And there is one particular candle that I like. For me to have a confluence to buy, I need to see a candle like this. I need to see a candle like this. A candle like this, right? A candle that has the wick below and the body above. It is telling me that, okay, the market was actually down here selling, but then buyers have been able to push it back up, and the market and the candle finally formed above. So it is giving me, okay, confirmation that, okay, buyers are taking over, right? So that is what I want to see, and I think we have something like that has formed here. Let me zoom it again so you guys get to see like this, right? But it did not really form because I think the market closed here. right? And now if okay, that's it. Yeah, so I want to see that particular candle form to give me extra confirmation that okay, I should be buying, I should be looking forward to buying. Okay, after that we've spoken on technicals, we've spoken on candlestick. The next thing I want to see are chart patterns. Chart patterns work like magic, not like they work, but you can add it to your confirmation, and group of confirmation gives you confluences. Now chart patterns vary, but the most common ones, we have the double bottom. So when you see the double bottom, like okay, I'm seeing like a double bottom here. Okay, let me just mark this. I'm seeing a double bottom here. So this double bottom, right, it means okay, the market has sold, right? The market has sold, come down, formed a low, bought up slowly, came down, formed another low. Next thing, we are looking at buying again up. So double bottom is giving us a W pattern, and you must form that W. One line, short, the next you go up. So the double bottom is giving you an extra confirmation that okay, this market needs to buy up to form our W shape. The next chart pattern you want to see is a double top. This is a good double top here, right? The market bought, form a high, but sold down a bit, bought up, and respected this previous high, and the next thing it's coming down. So double top forms the M pattern, right? So if I see this, I should be looking for sell opportunities, right? Why if I see the double bottom, I should be looking for buy opportunities, like a double bottom I see here. So my buyers for this coming week, I should be looking at buying USD card. Next thing I want to look at is fundamentals. Fundamentals are news events, right? News events affecting that particular pair that I am trading. So as I'm trading USD card, I should be looking for news events that will affect the USD because it's a base currency. So maybe is there CPI? Is there PPI? Is there NFP? So I should look for fundamental events that will affect that particular currency. If it is positive, if it is negative, let me know how it will affect USD. Will it make it to rise or will it make it to drop? The next thing I want to look at is sentimental analysis. I feel like that is an edge that I have gotten and I really like it. Sentimental analysis works. Sentimental analysis, it's more of perceptions, it's more of feelings, more of how people predict, right? Like sentiments, like feelings, right? Like perceptions about a particular pair. Now the best place I go to check my sentimental analysis is my FX book. So it's opened here. Now I'll come under sentimental analysis, and what am I looking at? I am looking at the pair that I want to trade. So the pair that we just analyzed, the pair that we are talking about is USD card. Right now, I'll come under USD card. As you can see here, this is USD card. You see the red side, you see the green side. So the red side means short, the green means long. So going short means selling, going long means buying. So you see that USD card has, you come there, you see that USD card has 23% short. That means it has 23 percentage of selling and 76 percentage of buying. That's another confluence that okay, buyers will be taking over this coming week, right? It means if I swing trade and I target the next high, that is money, right? So sentimental analysis just gives you extra confluence that okay, this is what the massive perceive about this particular pair, which is very good. So if you put all of that into consideration, you're going to have a perfect swing. Now let me just explain the other things. For USD JPY, you see more of sell than buy. So when you see more red than green, it means they perceive that okay, it will be selling. Now if you go to GBP, you see that GBP, the percentage is 51% short and 48% long. So it's given like mid, like it's in the middle. Now that percentage means GBP USD is consolidating, like it's consolidating. It has not chosen a direction yet, whether it wants to go up or it wants to come down, but it will definitely choose. Yeah, so that's it. Let's go back to Xness and yeah. So if I want to do this, I will only enter this buy, right? When the market has gotten to this level, let me just put, so I'll put a long position because I want to buy. So I'll put a long position above here. Long position. Let's say I put it here. Stop loss. The red section is your stop loss. Your stop loss should be below previous support slightly. Then your take profit targeting the high. So a swing trade, right? I will not be scared. So if I want to swing trade on this, just look at my target. Meaning I am expecting the market to buy and cover all this gap. So this might take like, let me say 5 days, 1 week, but it will definitely happen, right? So swing trading is about having patience. But then I will first of all target this. If you put it here, like my TP1, is going to be here. That's 1:2.8, right? It means if I am risking, let's say $500, I should be getting $1,200, right? Now, so this would be my TP1, and my TP2 should be around here. 1:4, and my TP3 should be the highest high, 1:5. So this is a perfect swing trade analysis for me. These are the confluences that I take into consideration before having a swing trade. That's why you see my swings always hitting TP. I'm so happy. Yeah, so I just wanted to share that. And we are using the Xness terminal. So the Xness terminal is really nice. It's really well put together. It has every tool that you need. Yeah, do well to subscribe to my YouTube channel because I'll be dropping lots of videos helping you navigate trading. I could be your trading bestie. Click the link in bio to join my free Telegram community where I share my setups, give out my ideas, my 1% of the 1% to make you a better and a profitable trader. Mwah. See you in the next video.